Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off or on the aim assist in God of War Ragnarök on the PS5. First, using the arrow buttons, navigate to settings, select using the X button, then navigate to gameplay, select it using the X button, then find the aim assist mode. It should be the first in the challenge level section, and turn it to off using the arrow buttons on the controller. That's it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, a subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks.